Good morning, students. Welcome back in CIT online class. I am Mithun Sarkar, your online teacher. As student, I always come with these types of educational video related to your subject. So stay with your teacher. Student, today we will discuss about the chapter what is cooking, and it is from our chapter 10 NCERT book subject EVS. Today we will discuss about some food items that can be eaten raw. That means कच्चा खा सकते हो, कुक्ड जो कुछ खाना ऐसा होता है जो तुम बिना पका के खाना खा नहीं सकते. देन रॉ एंड कुक्ड, ऐसा कुछ खाना होता है जो तुम कच्चा भी खा सकते हो और पका के भी खा सकते हो. Okay, and give competency identifier. That means you need to identify these types of food items and need to write in this box. So I write here the question, write some food items that can be eaten. That means जो हम लोग खा सकते हैं, रॉ कच्चा, कुक्ड पका के, और रॉ एंड कुक दोनों एक साथ, कच्चा भी और पकाने के बाद भी खा सकते हैं. Okay. So we can write, start now. Raw, that kacha. Student, you note down with me all of the number. Firstly, raw कच्चा हम सारे के सारे फ्रूट खा सकते हैं, तो we can write here fruits. Fruits. Then some of the vegetable name we can write. It can be eaten raw. Okay, cucumber. Then we can write onion. Onion we can write, we can eat raw also and cook also and cook also. Actually it is three places, but we will write only some food items here that can be eaten raw but not cooked, is something different. Then we can write here coconut. Then we can write honey. I will write here 5 points. We have another 5 points also. You note down one by one. Then I will give some times. Then you will write another. Then start our this point. At first we can write fish. Fish हम लोग बिना पका के नहीं खा सकते. मतलब it will be eaten with cooked. Then we can write egg. हम लोग कच्चा नहीं खा सकते. Then we can write chicken. Then we can write here rice. Rice हम लोग बिना पका के नहीं खा सकते. Then we can write potato. कच्चा नहीं खा सकते. Okay, these 5 items from cooked you note down. Then number 1, don't worry students, after 5 items I will give time for note down it. Okay, raw and cooked. Actually raw and cooked items is basically related to this raw food items. Okay, so you can write here first one, carrot. We can write this carrot also here because we can also eat carrot in raw, also carrot raw and cooked both up to. Then we can write cucumber again. We can write tomato because tomato हम लोग कच्चा भी खाते हैं सलाद के साथ और पकाने बाद भी खाते हैं. Then we can write onion again. Actually this one is related to these food items. Then number 5 we can write पपाया हम लोग जब ये पपाया कच्चा नहीं खाते, लेकिन ये जब राइप हो जाता है, जो पक जाता है, उसके बाद हम लोग पपाया भी कच्चा खा सकते हैं, रॉ खा सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो नोट डाउन दिस 5 on, then another 5 on I will write after 2 minutes. You note down properly. Okay, students, I hope you note down the first 2 or 3 number, so I can write the first on 2. And if you don't worry, if you can't note down with me, you can watch this again and again. Okay, so I'll write number 1 and 2 for every place. Okay, note down this one. I'll write here. Number 6, raw food items, we can write peanut. Peanut हम लोग ऐसे भी कच्चा खा सकते हैं. Then we can write almond. Okay, ये दोनों लिख लो. Then इधर भी लिख लेते हैं green banana. जो कच्चा केले होता है वो हम लोग बिना पका के नहीं खा सकते हैं. Then we can write pumpkin. ये भी कच्चा नहीं खा सकते हैं. ओके, ये दोनों लिखो. आई थिंक यू नोट डाउन दिस वन ऑल्सो, सो यू कैन राइट हियर raw and cooked food items. Okay, so number 5 already written. Number 6 we need to write chili. चिली हम लोग कच्चा भी खाते हैं और ये खाना पका के भी एक साथ खाते हैं. Then we can write capsicum. कैप्सिकम हम लोग दोनों ही खाते हैं. कभी कभी कच्चा हम लोग सलाद के साथ थोड़ा थोड़ा खा लेते हैं और दोनों पका के खा सकते हैं. ये दोनों भी लिख लो, उसके बाद हम बाकी का भी देखेंगे. स्टूडेंट, आई होप यू नोट डाउन दिस वन ऑल्सो, सो आई कैन ग्राफ this number 3. Okay, number 8, that means last one we will discuss about 8 points. We can write here capsicum also, but we will write as chili. मैंने पहले भी बोला था यहाँ पे 2 आइटम से वो मैक्सिमम आइटम इधर भी हो सकता है. Then we can write here ब्रिंजल. ये हम लोग कच्चा नहीं खा सकते. Then we can write here spinach. कच्चा और पक्का दोनों ही खा सकते हैं. जैसे लेटुस शाक है वो हम लोग कभी कभी कच्चा भी खाते हैं. Okay, so this is our 8th item that I written here, raw, cooked and cooked both. Students, note down it. You can write the another food items because raw food it is more, then cooked food items it more, raw and cooked. Actually, we can write here milk. Okay, Then we can write here radish. More things we can write. We can write cooked food items is pulse. Okay. Then we can write here raw and cooked lady's finger. We can write. Then this raw food items we can write in difference like this garlic. Some of the time we also eat it is raw garlic. Then we can write broccoli. Okay, so you can write more another food items. Note down it properly. Okay, students, I hope you note down all of the food items in your copy. Okay, so this class, I hope this class is helpful for your study. So if you like this class, if you want these types of class regularly, you can share the channel, you can share this video with your parents, and you can subscribe the channel. Okay, so these two questions for today's class. Thank you all of you.